Hi friends, welcome to a brand new vlog of Judo Dhamaka. This is your host and host Judo.
I have watched the web series Bads of Bollywood created by Aryan Khan. It stars Bobby Deol, Lakshya, Raghav Jual, Sahir Bamba, Mona Singh and many other Bollywood stars. It tells the story of an industry outsider, Asman Singh, and how he wants to capture the B-town with his artistry. और इसी बीच उनका मुलाकात होती है करिश्मा तलवार यानी कि द डॉटर ऑफ सुपरस्टार अजय तलवार के साथ. आसमान एंड करिश्मा, they begin their relationship with a kind of love-hate kind of interactions, and Asman Singh entered the big arena. He wins hearts, signs a 3-film deal with Freddy Sodawala. But then there's Karan Johar's picture. What will he do now? कॉन्ट्रैक्ट के चक्कर में वो फंस जाता है और आ जाते हैं गफूर भाई यानी कि अरशद वारसी. आसमा और करिश्मा के बीच हो जाती है प्यार का एक रिश्ता. And then, as I said, there's a plethora of cameo performances by Bollywood actors like Amir Khan, Salman Khan, Shah Rukh Khan, Ranbir Kapoor, Imran Hashmi, Badshah and others. It consists of 7 episodes and it's quite entertaining, though you sometimes may feel that it's kind of a fantasy web series. और if words की तो हाँ क्या बात कहें. From the title track till the end you may hear infinite number of if words. It's a parody kind of take on the Bollywood stars. आसमान का जो आसमां तक उठने की ख्वाब, अवार्ड जीतना, साइनिंग कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स, ये सभी कुछ दिखाया गया है in a witty manner. In recent times, you may remember the interaction between Siddhant Chaturvedi and Ananya Pandey that has been satirically adapted for this web series. Sometimes the treatment may remind you of Luck by Chance, Call Me Bay and Showtime. Many songs are there, though the songs can be easily forgotten because most of the songs sound so similar. But as I said, it's witty. Sometimes you may feel that the speed decreased, but more or less it's entertaining. Especially there are many fight sequences and there's a great chase sequence between Asman and Ajay Talwar. Anya Singh, Manoj Pawar, Mona Singh, all of them played their parts well. In fact, most of the cast members have performed well. Raghav's character has many witty lines. After many years, Rajat Bedi has returned to B-Town. Manish Chaudhary, Mahirzan Mazda have performed well. But as I said, it's quite absurd. और आखिर में है एक twist. वो क्या है? I won't reveal that. For that, you have to watch this web series on Netflix. Manoj Pawar's character, Avtar, he suddenly gets viral. That point is quite interesting. And regarding the cameos by Bollywood stars, I personally felt Imran Hashmi's portion could have been much better. The editor of this series is Nitin Baid and the DOP is Jay Pinak Ojha. I can only say one thing, there's a clear hint of a sequel. So this is my take on the Bads of Bollywood. Hope you have liked it.
Then do like, share, subscribe my channel and also like and follow my Facebook page Judo Dhamaka.
Hasta la vista, Judos Dhamaka. Let's do the Dhamaka.